Hey there, I see you're interested in pump.fun's big event. I can safely call this the biggest airdrop of 2025. You could also get $100 or more. Just click the Get Pump Now button. You'll find the website link in this video's description. If you're not familiar with pump.fun, it's essentially the ultimate launchpad for meme coins. It's where simplicity meets viral potential. No pre-sales, no complicated contracts, just pure, unadulterated token creation. You launch, you build a community, and if the stars align, you pump. And what better name for a token on this platform than Pump itself? So, why is everyone talking about this? Because it embodies the raw, unfiltered spirit of pump.fun. It's about pure speculation, community power, and the dream of catching that next big wave. When you see a token named Pump on a platform called pump.fun, you instinctively know what it's about. It's a bold statement, a simple proposition, and it's captivating the early adopters. What are your thoughts on Pump? Is this the ultimate meme coin? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this dive into the wild world of pump.fun tokens exciting, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.